We're standing at the edge of something big, a moment where artificial intelligence is reshaping how we live, work, and move forward. AI can generate content, write code, and automate tasks at lightning speed. You may have even heard that technology will replace jobs, but history tells a different story. From mainframes to the internet, every technological advancement has created more opportunity. They didn't erase roles, they redefined them. Because technology doesn't understand nuance, it doesn't weigh cost against performance or find bias in the data. It can't imagine the system, architect the solution, or lead the change. At DeVry, we see the evolution of AI as the beginning of something profound, an opportunity for innovation, creativity, and game-changing breakthroughs. Preparing for what's next starts now. Let's take the first step together. The future of work begins at DeVry.